At nearly twice the speed limit, one reckless moment on the Kallang-Paya-Lebar Expressway changed at least 9 lives forever. It was just before 8 in the morning, during the busy weekday rush. A car was speeding along the KPE at an estimated speed of up to 160 kilometers an hour. That is almost double the legal limit. Seconds later, it slammed straight into the back of a lorry carrying migrant workers. The impact was so violent that the lorry spun out of control, smashed into the road barrier, and overturned onto its side. Workers who were sitting in the open back were thrown around like rag dolls. Screams filled the tunnel. Traffic came to a sudden standstill. 9 migrant workers suffered serious injuries. Some had skull fractures. Others had broken spines, ribs, and faces. Several had bleeding in the brain. 4 of them had to undergo surgery. These were not small injuries. Doctors later gave them weeks, even months, of hospital leave to recover. In total, 12 people were hurt. The lorry driver and another worker in the front cabin were injured but less badly. A passenger in the speeding car was also hurt. Investigations later revealed just how dangerous the driving was. The car was traveling far above the 80 km/h speed limit. The driver was not drunk, and he was not sleepy. This was a conscious choice to drive fast. In court, the judge described the harm as severe and life-changing. With so many victims and such extreme speed, the punishment had to reflect the danger caused to everyone on the road. The driver was sentenced to 27 months in jail. He was also banned from driving for at least 8 years. Beyond the courtroom, the case reopened a painful debate in Singapore. Migrant workers are still legally transported in the back of lorries. When accidents happen, they have little protection. No seat belts. No airbags. No rail safety buffer. This crash was not just about speed. It was about how much risk society is willing to accept for those who build our homes and roads. So here is the question. Should Singapore rethink how migrant workers are transported before the next accident happens? If you value clear, factual reporting on stories that matter, remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230.